So hi, this is Lee, and in this video I want to do something a bit different. In this video I want to show you my launch of a recent product. So this is kind of a watch me launch video instead of my usual videos where I show you how to do something. This is a video of the product that I created recently. I'm currently working through a daily mission to create something new every day. So I'm either creating a new product or I'm creating a new video or a new piece of content every day. So rather than create an over-the-shoulder video, what I decided to do was launch the product in 2 hours. In fact, I wanted to launch it in an hour, but it took me a bit longer. So I set myself the goal of creating the product in an hour. And what you're seeing is me creating the actual product. And what I did was I recorded the product and then I've sped it up. So it's a time lapse of me going through all the different steps of choosing the colors, choosing the images, arranging the layouts for some thumbnail designs. So I wanted to create for myself a thumbnail template because I'm planning to be creating new videos all the time, and I wanted to have different thumbnails and different thumbnail layouts so that I could just select a layout, change the text, add the image, and then quickly have a thumbnail to upload for each video. So I mentioned that I'm launching new products every day, and the products that I'm launching I am putting on my buymeacoffee.com/Lee Launches page. I'll put a link in the description. You can go and see all the products that I've currently launched and also follow all of the new products that I will add on that page there. So go and click that link in the description. I'm also going to put another link if you haven't already got your own buymeacoffee.com account and you're interested in signing up. You can sign up for free and they will give you a free coffee. You get a free coffee and I will get a free coffee. So I recommend you go and do that. Please go and see what I'm doing there. You can see all the products that I'm making. You can also see my membership. If you wanted to become a member, then for a cost of a coffee a month, then you would get access to everything that I'm creating. I would really appreciate your support because it helps me to create more products like this and more content like this. As I say, you will get access to this actual YouTube branding kit where you can just add your own images and logo and text and add them to your own videos. It's just simply you download it, you customize it, and then just simply save it to your YouTube page. I hope you really enjoyed this video, something a bit different. I hope to do more time lapses, more watch me launch videos like this in the future. Please leave a comment below, let me know what you think. Please hit subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I make a new video, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.